everyone. I hope you are doing well and having a nice time. Today we have new siblings. I'll introduce one of them to you today, and the second will be the next time. The one we have today is ʻayn. ʻayn. It's very easy to draw. It looks like one small C and one capital C. The sound is ʻa. ʻa. This sound might be new to your ears and tongue. So, for more on how to pronounce ʻayn, please check its episode in the alphabet series. ʻayn in the isolated form is so simple, just as you see it here. So let's draw it. One small c and one capital C. Once more. One small c and one capital C. Come on, try it on your own. And please, pronounce the sound as you draw it. ʻa. ʻa. In the initial position, ʻayn loses its tail to pave the way for the following letter. We draw the small c and continue into a connecting segment leading to the following letter. Only the small c, then a connecting segment. In the medial position, ʻayn changes its shape to facilitate drawing. Let's see how. Since it's in the medial position, we start from a connecting segment coming from the previous letter. Then we continue diagonally upward, turn right for a short segment, and move diagonally downward. Then turn left for a connecting segment leading to the following letter. Please notice how the pen moves. It's only one stroke. A connecting segment, diagonally up, right, diagonally down, then left for another connecting segment. In the final position, ʻayn has the same shape of the medial position, in addition to the tail. Start from the connecting segment, then add ʻayn in its closed form, and add the tail. A connecting segment, the closed ʻayn, then the tail. Now, how about some examples to check these different positions? In the initial position, ʻayn loses its tail and has a connecting segment leading to the following letter. In the medial position, ʻayn has a new shape to facilitate writing with two connecting segments, linking it to a preceding letter and a following one. In the final position, we also have ʻayn in its closed form. in addition to the tail. Here, ʻayn took the shape of the initial position, although it's not at the beginning of the word. That's because it was preceded by a non-connecting letter. A letter that can provide a connecting segment. Sometimes, when ʻayn comes preceded by a non-connecting letter, it comes as well in a final position. In this case, it stands alone, taking the isolated form. In conclusion, ʻayn has four forms, depending on its position in a word and whether it's preceded by a non-connecting letter or not. There is the initial position, the medial, final, and the isolated form. Please practice writing the four forms. You will find the writing sheet to help you with your practice on the link in the description box below. And remember to pronounce the sound of ʻayn as you draw it. Ah, ah.